Alexis from the Bedford Life and Company, and this morning when I woke up, I felt like wonderful. You know that feeling when you wake up in the morning and your throat hurts a little bit? Like if you don't address it right away, it's gonna be a full-blown cold. I mean, I don't know about you, but I definitely do not have time for a cold. So today I'm gonna show you a soup recipe that I eat every time I don't feel well. I'm absolutely convinced that it stops whatever I'm about to get dead in its tracks. It's a miracle worker. The key to this soup is you really need to make it on the first day. If you wait until you feel really shitty, it's probably too late. So put your aprons on and let's get started. You ready, Dad?
Okay.
Before we begin, if you're new to this channel, well, welcome. We are all about providing you with easy recipes and gardening tips that anybody can do. Because if I can do it, you can do it. Make sure you hit that bell notification and subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all of our product recommendations, new videos, and of course, new merchandise from thebedfordlife.com. Here's what you'll need. 7 ounces of shiitake mushrooms, 4 cups of chicken broth, udon noodles, scallions, soy sauce, this little thing, can you see it? Star anise, or star anise. I'm not even sure really how to pronounce it. And bok choy. You want to rinse this and rinse this. That's what I'm going to do first. These are already rinsed. Shiitake mushroom stems are very woody and tough, and they actually take longer to cook than the caps. So what you want to do is separate the caps from the stems and set the caps aside. You're gonna need them, but you don't need them till the end. You're gonna add them sort of at the last 2 to 3 minutes. Now, shiitake mushrooms are absolutely magical. I mean, not like tripping the light, fantastic magical. I mean like magical in their healing properties. First, you wanna cut the end off, you know, the part that grows in the ground. Cut that part off and discard it. And then you wanna shred the rest of the stem. This helps speed up the cooking process, otherwise the stems would take forever and you'd probably boil off most of the stock in the process. The stems take longer to cook than anything else in this entire recipe. Now the same goes for bok choy. The stalk is much tougher than the leaves. The leaves are quite delicate. So you want to separate the stalks from the leaves, put the stalks in first, and then add the leaves at the last minute. Now, I originally saw a variation of this recipe on TV probably like 15 years ago. Where I saw it, I have no idea. What's the original recipe? I have no idea. I don't remember. All I know is that I did tweak it to make it my own, and I've been very consistent over the years repeating my recipe, and it works every single time. And I have yet to be sick. Knock on wood. Okay, so this little guy tastes like black licorice. Yuck. Not my favorite. I do not like black licorice at all. But you don't taste it in the soup. It does have healing properties, but you will not taste black licorice in the soup. Thank God, because that would just be really gross. By the way, you don't eat it. You just put it in the soup to flavor it. Take that out before you serve your soup. Don't use like 10 for a dollar ramen. I mean, they're probably made of plastic, a ton of chemicals, and they're really not going to help you feel any better. If you don't have udon noodles, use what you've got, people. You can always substitute rice or pasta or even egg noodles if you did not have udon noodles. The broth is really what you want to focus on. That is where all the mushrooms have cooked out, and all the properties and the healing properties that you're looking for to make you feel better is really in that stock or that broth. So that's what you want to drink. Everything else is just going to fill you up, but you need to drink the broth. Alright everybody, if you're looking for more easy recipes, make sure you check out the Easy Recipe playlist. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!